Who encouraged you the most to choose this field?
When you are a child, I don't think anyone makes up a mind to become anything. Did you? What your parents wanted you to become also as a child, they also cannot make up their mind so early. But maybe what question you ask means whether to become an artist is a kind of a vocation or a profession with parents then thought was the right thing to do. When I was young, people, especially people of our class, never thought that to become an artist was a great thing. But then later when they found that I had a special talent for it and was all the time doing something or the other, then they did encourage me to do it, partly because I was a sickly boy and did not go to school early. So I had something to amuse myself with. And my father used to bring special pencils, pens and all for me to work with. But then, that is just, it is not because he wanted me to be a professional artist. But these things all happen almost by accident. You may want to become something early in life, but then circumstances don't build up to anything at all later. In my case, becoming an artist was a little like an accident.
So,
otherwise, I had gone for studies in the normal things. I went for a degree in economics. And I used to paint on the side in my room. Then one friend of mine took them to the principal of the art school in Madras.
you're known as a very famous artist as well as a very respectable art guru. To reach this peak, what all did you sacrifice?
I didn't sacrifice anything at all. And people always think that you have to sacrifice something to gain something. It is not the case. In the case, if you follow what you want to do quite earnestly, then that itself has its own reward. So the question of sacrifice doesn't arise. Sacrifice only arises when the circumstances or the people around you think in terms of making you something, and then in making your own decision, you lose something. But if you don't lose something, there is no sacrifice.
Which one has brought you more happiness, being a guru or a creative painter? I never wanted to be a guru, so the question of it bringing happiness doesn't mean anything to me. But I have always enjoyed being with the young people. So that amount I can say. I was very happy to be a teacher and be with young people. But then you can't compare the kind of happiness you get from doing your own work and being with young people. There are two kinds of things. So there is no kind of opposition between these or any kind of preference. It may be that some teachers like to teach and they are probably sort of an extremely persistent teacher. And I am not in favor of that. A teacher who is too conscious about his teaching will probably restrict the development of his student. So I always tell people, I only pretend to teach.
Do you encourage your students even now? How?
Well, I have no special students now.
No,
But I
you're.
encourage everyone, whether he is my student or he or she, that as I told you, a teacher, especially in the field of fine arts, has very little to contribute to the development of a student except probably clear the air. So I do that all the time. But otherwise, when I face other people working, I am always very happy when they make full use of what they have. So, whether you call that encouragement or not, I don't know.
I felt that works done after your teaching period are more colorful and lively. Is this a reflection of your youth as you came back to Shantiniketan, or inspired by the beauty of Shantiniketan?
You want to know whether I became younger when I came to Shantiniketan? Well, probably so, but then that is not true. My work done earlier coming to Shantiniketan also was very colorful. So you haven't probably seen them properly. So that has no reference. How you use color or things in a painting, it has no direct reference to an age level or what you were and things of that kind. Maybe it has no reference in my case.
You have been writing and illustrating beautiful books for children, but most of them are monochromic, whereas your paintings are colorful. Why is it so?
Why have the illustrated books to be like paintings? I do not believe that it is necessary. Young children read books. You don't print books in all kinds of colored type. Similarly, when the young children see books, many of the people who have seen those little books and young children who are intelligent have reacted to them even more than they have reacted to colorful books. So it is not quite necessary.
According to you, what qualities should an Indian contemporary artist have?
You see, first of all, you have put two things there, for Indian and contemporary. If you want to be an Indian contemporary artist, you should be close to your environment. Then alone will you be an Indian contemporary artist. And if you want to be a contemporary artist, you should belong to the times. Then alone will you be a contemporary artist. So if those things are there in any artist, then he will be a proper Indian contemporary artist. So it's a sort of a central thing as that.
Please say a few words to inspire children who want to become artists.
Well, I don't know what will inspire children of today, but if they keep their eyes open, if they try to see things with pleasure and discernment, and if they want to do something with themselves, I suppose that is the best thing they can do. And one thing I would like to say to all people, not only children, is not to aim more than they can accomplish. Most people get smaller when they have an ambition which they cannot reach. They should know how to utilize their sort of whatever they have. And this you should learn from your mother. All dancers know that. They have to use what body they have. Everyone doesn't want to be sort of another person. So it is the best way you can use yourself that will bring you success and probably more fulfillment.
Thank you.
এগুলো আমাদের সব স্কুলে কম্পিটিশনের ফর এটা আমার নার্সারি ফাংশন
স্পোর্টস
স্পোর্টস এগুলো আমি প্রজেক্ট বানিয়েছিলাম স্কুল থেকে ছবি তুলে বাড়িতে পাঠিয়েছিলাম এত ভালো লেগেছিল আমার
প্রজেক্টগুলো এখনো রেখেছে জুনিয়র স্কুলে
আচ্ছা
ইন্ডিয়ার কস্টিউমস এর উপর আর
আর ডেজার্টের উপর
ডেজার্টের উপর
বানিয়েছিলাম এটা বিবেকানন্দের সঙ্গে একটা ওয়ার্কশপ ছিল
তাসের দেশ
Theatre workshop, তাসের দেশ
তাসকে ঘর
তো সেটা ডান্স কম্পিটিশন গান শিখি
গন্ধর্ব মহাবিদ্যালয়
গন্ধর্ব মহাবিদ্যালয়ের অ্যানুয়াল
মধুর
ফাংশন
ওড়িশি ফাংশন
এটা আমার ব্যালে ক্লাসের ফাংশন এটা আমার ওড়িশি ক্লাসের গন্ধর্ব মহাবিদ্যালয়ের অ্যানুয়াল ফাংশন ছিল আমাকে কৃষ্ণ বানিয়েছিল
একটু চালিয়ে
এটা আমাদের ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্স ডেতে কিরণ বেদি এসেছিলেন
আচ্ছা
কিরণ বেদি কি বলেছিলেন না
আমাকে টুপি পরিয়ে বলেছিলেন যে একদিন তুমি ভীষণ বড় পুলিশ অফিসার হবে
দেখো
ওর ইউনিফর্ম ক্যাপটা
হ্যাঁ
পরিয়েছিল
আমার ইউনিফর্মের আর এটা আমাদের অ্যানুয়াল ফাংশনের দিন শিলা দীক্ষিত এসেছিলেন আমাকে ফুল দেওয়ার জন্য রাখা হয়েছিল এটা আমার গুরুজির সঙ্গে মাঝে দিদি এগুলো মার সঙ্গে করেছি
উদয়শঙ্কর ফেস্টিভ্যালে এবারে আমাকে ডাকা হয়েছিল ওখানে কলকাতায় পিউ আমার সঙ্গে করেছিল
এখানে তো মার সঙ্গে
আমি ছোটবেলায় উদয়শঙ্করের কাছে একটু নাচ শেখার সুযোগ পেয়েছিলাম
আচ্ছা
খুব অল্প দিনের জন্য স্কুলে যখন পড়তাম এটা তো আপনার সঙ্গেও একটা রেখেছে
আপনার সঙ্গে
এটা হুসেন ছিলেন আমি একটা
Book release
পারফরমেন্স
ছিল।
আর্ট করেছিলাম পিউ করেছিলাম আমার সঙ্গে
এটা আমি স্কুলে ডাইরেক্ট করেছিলাম একটা ডান্স ব্যালে ডাইরেক্ট করেছিলাম
সিন্ডারেলা কে
সিন্ডারেলা
পুরো ক্লাসিক্যাল
ক্লাসিক্যাল ব্যালে স্টাইলে
বাচ্চাদের শিখিয়ে
তো
করেছিলাম
সেটা ছবি
সিন্ডারেলা
সিন্ডারেলা
লাস্ট একটা আর্টিকেলও লিখেছিল এটার উপর ছাপা হয়েছে ওর টাইমস অফ ইন্ডিয়া একবার
টাইমস অফ ইন্ডিয়াতে আমার উপর এটা ছাপানো হয়েছিল